Hello my dear frienditas, how's your life? My name is Fred and in this video I will show you how you can increase your hair or actually make you go almost bald in just one little click. Wow! So here I have my image and it's literally me. I just took it with my phone, so it's not an image that was taken with some professional camera or photographer or whatever. No, it's just my phone and that's it. That means you can do it with your phone as well. And you need to have the latest version of Photoshop because these features came out only yesterday. Woohoo! So when we have this image, let's go to filter and let's go to neural filters. This is the new thing that we have right now here. Neural filters work with the cloud. Basically how it works is it analyzes thousands of other images and then it tries to apply those features to your own image. And when we are here, let's go to beta filters, and yes, these things are still in beta, so that's why it may work not perfectly. Let's turn this on, smart portrait. And during last videos I covered how to make yourself look happy, how to make yourself smile, how to change your age. Here I'm just gonna show you how you can increase your hair thickness. Basically, if you go to hair thickness, it's very simple. I mean, even babies can do that. I can just increase this and let's see. So now what's happening is, as you can see, it's loading. It's uploading this image to the cloud and then it tries to process the image there and then it will download it back and show it to us. I mean, it's as easy as using mobile applications, you know. Boom! As you can see, now I have much more hair. My current hairstyle, if you see, like I don't have so much hair here and here, but here I can, as you can see, I increased it. I can also make it like really less. I can make myself almost go bald, so minus 50. Let's see. Boom! Oh my god. I'm not sure if I look good or not, but what do you think? Should I get a hairstyle like that? We also have here some other cool stuff like head direction. For example, I can make my face look to the right. Let's just wait. Oh! Boom! Let's go to the left and then we can do a little dent, left, right. Let's turn this off. We can also have here light direction, which is basically changing the direction of the light. So if I turn this on and let's bring it to the max. The light is on my face, so I'm not sure what is it going to do here. Oh, you see, it's now to the right. Perfect. And I look like I was painted here. I mean, it's too smooth, I would say. Let's go to the left. And the reason why it looks like it was painted because it was technically painted, you know, neural filters. How do you think they apply these effects? They basically repaint your face. And if I just click OK now, oh my god, yeah, this is basically what we have. And just to look at the original image, so let me just copy this and turn this off to see before after. Here, boom, before, less hair, I mean hair and very less hair, I don't know how to say it. But anyway, I look handsome in both of them. My mom can confirm that, but that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this new feature. If you want to master Photoshop and learn how I create my stunning artworks, wow! Just make sure to go to learnfromfred.com where you can access my premium Photoshop classes and learn tons of secrets that you will never see on YouTube. Love you guys. Bye bye. Link in description, by the way. Okay? Don't make me angry.